What's cracking, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at Ferrari Silicon Valley show. Right behind me we got a beautiful GT3. Check out these HRE wheels. This show is gonna be stupid lit. When we came through the lot, bruh, I ain't seen so many exotics in so long, bruh. Check it out. Got the, I think that's the X3M. Yeah, crazy. Let's go check out what else we could find. Start off here at the end of the show. GT4 Cayman crew. Special. Aventadors on Aventadors. This is so clean. I know this is loud as hell too, because I remember this plate. $675 LT with the roof scoop. 650S. Show you guys this Aventador real quick. Fully spec'd out. Look at the pillars. That is hella nice. That's sick. Got a full lineup right there. Huracan squad. Hey, Lambo. Wow, this M2, bro, on BBS's super clean combo. That's sick. Meaty ass fitment too. That's real meat right there. 265s up front. That flows hella nice. Bro. First time seeing this shit. Let me know what y'all think about the RS6. This is cool interior. Trying to hear how that thing sounds for sure. Got a Diablo right here. Pagani. Alright, y'all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk around the whole meet because I always miss some cars and they end up leaving because I start focusing on one whip. So we're just gonna quickly walk around. Vipers for days. ACR. Ferraris. Aston Martin. Can't go wrong with these. These are so sick. Look at that color.
Both of them have range limiters.
Aventador. Revs. Team Bay Lambo right here. Rolls Royce. Oh hell no. There are two F40s here, bro. These are both the same owner's whips right here. He be driving this in the streets of SF. That is crazy.
You like this one?
That is ridiculous. About to go to the other F40 now. You know, when do you get to say that? Vista.
Hey, how's it going, man? Good.
Got the twin turbo R8 right here, pushing like, I don't know, 14. Something crazy. Y'all hearing all the whips in the background? People acting an ass. I'm gonna go back to that 720 over there, but check out the DeLorean and the other F40. Need to get y'all an up close look at this 720. Full rift. Kitted, got the roof scoop and everything, HREs, rift exhaust. This is as dope as it gets, to be honest. Big baller spec. Little side by side stock, fully modded out. goodness, got a Supra 300ZX. That's an F12 right there. Stupid loud. It's only right we end the video off with the F12's exhaust now. Yeah, like I was saying, it's only right we end the video off with the F12 doing a launch. Hopefully he gives us something good. I think he will. I think he's a rowdy dude. Oh, that's... Wow. F12 don't play. Alright y'all, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe if you're new, and comment down below which car you like best. There's a lot of cool whips in this video. Got another GT3 parked here. Was a red one before, now we got a white one, but I'm gonna end it off at that. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys on the next one. Peace.